What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and today we're going to be talking about this carbon monoxide and smoke detector from xsense. Now, I've mentioned this before in just a regular video, but they sent me this and they wanted me to make a dedicated video, so I'm going to do that. It's not really much to say about a carbon monoxide detector. I mean, you look at the reviews on Amazon. The reviews are great. I mean, it works when it needs to work. And that's pretty much all I could say. I'm not going to set my house on fire to test it or nothing like like that. I'm not going to back up the car exhaust. You know what I'm saying? And just let it run in this mug to see if it works. But so all we can pretty much do is just push the test button. But let's go over a few specs here, which makes this better than a lot of the other ones out here. One, the carbon monoxide sensitivity starts at 70 ppm. Which a lot of them start at 100. So I like that. Obviously, you want this thing to detect sooner than later. It comes with a 10-year sealed battery, so we'll see about that. And also, one of the biggest things about this is that it links. So you can buy 3 of these. You can buy up to 18 of them, the carbon monoxide and smoke detector, the combos. You can buy up to 18 of these. And when one goes off, they'll all go off. Because sometimes you might have a smoke detector in the kitchen. If you have like a ranch house or something, you're on the other side of the house or in the garage or something like that, and there's a fire or something going on in the kitchen, you wouldn't know. So you want these to be connected so when something goes on in a certain part of the house, you can go get your family or get out, do whatever you need to do. And that's what I like about this. So I'm going to go ahead and test it for you so you can hear all of them sync with each other. Now, we're going to do a distance test. So when you install these, if you have a multi-level house, boot, basement, main level, upper level, the way you want to kind of structure them is you want to put them in a line so that their signals can easily get to each other. But if you're on a flat level, you have a ranch house or rambler, you want to make sure that the distance is not more than like 20 feet or 30 feet or something like that. So I'm about to take you a walk through the maze of this house, and we're going to test them, and you'll be able to see how well this works. Before I forget, I just want to say this too. Considering all that you get, these are also the cheapest carbon monoxide smoke detector combination kits that interlink together that you can find on the market. So there's also that as well. All right, so I'm in the master bedroom right now, and I'm going to go ahead and test this, and we'll listen out for the other ones beeping. I'm going to try to cover this up because it's super loud. Test it, you hold it down. And we let it go. As soon as you let it go, everything else stops. Now, let's go. Which, another thing, I like that because my old smoke detector, the test it was always weird. Like when you let it go or try to push the button again, it's still going on. Just stop when I let it go. You know, that makes sense. So now I'm going to go walk and I'm going to show you where the other ones are. So let's follow the maze of the ceiling. We're going. Nice popcorn ceiling here. So the other one's kind of far, you can only hear the one. So boom, there's another one, and then the other one is closer to the kitchen. Boom, and this is where the other one is. Now, my house, I need like 3 more, but you kind of get the picture. So anyway, this is it. I apologize to xsense for taking months to make this. I just was out of town. So there you have it. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Again, like I said, this is the least expensive one I could find. It mounts easy. It works very well. They interlink just fine. When you get the kit and the box, if you get 3 of them, they'll already be interconnected. But if you want to add more, of course, the manual will show you how to connect them. And that is it. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.